It's all right, my friend. Be calm now. It will be quick. Greetings, my friends. We have the finest camel hides for you today.
Ah, excellent. We are ready for them.
It is ready. Bring the water and brushes.
Steady now. Feel the grain of the bone. Apply gentle pressure at this angle. Smoothly, that's it.
Just ease up on the pressure there. See how the grain shifts? Now try the smaller chisel.
Make sure the foam covers the inlay completely. Yes, securing this side now.
We are ready for the outer blanket.
Final screws going into the lid now. All right, secure them tightly. Dubai Commission requires the best.
1, 2 y 3. Cuidado, despacio. Ahí está bien. Despacio.
We did it. Safe journey to the Royal Palace.
This Royal Commission crate is highly valuable and extremely fragile. Handle with extreme care.
We understand the importance, driver. It will be secured.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. Plus, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.